Oh, no, it wants my sandwich.
Hey, my chip!
Dad lost to a sheep.
Not again!
This really is a beautiful place.
Yahoo! We finally arrived!
Wow, this village is beautiful. It smells like grass and sheep.
Dad, the sheep wants your chips.
Do not worry. Sheep eat grass, not chips. Hey, my chip!
Dad lost to a sheep.
Ah, yes, British weather.
England cannot decide. The chickens are cute.
Oh, no, it wants my sandwich.
Even UK chickens are thieves.
Can I feed the horse?
Just one carrot.
Why do animals love my things?
This village is crazy.
No, this is British countryside adventure.
Not again!
Wow, this place feels like magic. I do not want to go home.
This is the real peaceful life.
Best family trip ever.